Morning, my family. Morning, my family. We're continuing with our course. This is video 4. As you guys, if you went through the previous videos, you would understand where you are at now. So yes, today we will be talking about trend lines, guys. So we're moving a bit into market structure and price action. So this is a fully beginner's course. If you're new here to the channel, like and subscribe. Get notified when we upload new videos. So we said there's going to be a 7-week course, a free beginners course. So guys, please stay tuned for what's happening inside this course. You will have a basic understanding of what Forex is. So today we're going to so we did cover what is a market pattern. We did cover what is uptrending market, downtrending market, consolidation market. So today we're going to put that through the test. Now today we're going to describe to you guys what is trend lines. So we did do support and resistance in the previous video. So today we're going to walk around trend lines. So guys, let's continue immediately. You guys know that the uptrending market is creating higher highs and higher lows. So now we're going to do the uptrending market first, and then we're going to move to the other markets, to the downtrending and the consolidation. So guys, this is the uptrending market. We got already, if you watch the other videos, this is higher highs and this is higher lows. So basically a trend line's definition is the same as support and resistance. It needs to have at least 2 or more touches. Now a trend line's definition is a dynamic support and a dynamic resistance. So for instance, I'm just drawing freehand, guys. Just remember, now I just connect my dots and we can see we in an uptrending channel. So you will connect your lows to each other and you will connect your highs to each other to check are you moving in a channel. So usually we trade with the trend. So an uptrend, we will look for buys at these points. Where the market touches these trend lines, we would look for buys at these points. So we don't normally sell at these points. I don't know why some people teach you guys that, because you're trading against the trend. Yeah, some people does do that. They trade the correction, but we want to be with the trend, So this is an uptrend trend line. I will show you guys practically on a demo broker how does a trend line actually, how do you identify it? So normally what you do is trend lines is normally to identify the trend. So it will be on your higher time frames, the daily time frame, day 1, the H4 time frame, hour 4, the weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame. I don't know if there's swing traders in there. So I would usually use these time frames to actually check where my trend is. So I will check the major time frame. So what the trend is, the overall trend. So let me just do an example for you guys. I did open a broker here. So yeah, so hope everyone can see this. So this is going to be more practical. So guys, we're on a daily time frame now. I'm just checking the trend. I'm going to the weekly. I'm checking what the trend is, going to the daily, going to the right. Now we zoom out fully. So the first thing we're going to identify is basically that we're forming lower highs, all right? Lower highs and lower lows. So this qualifies as a downtrend. So guys, I would definitely try and connect my points to each other. Get as much touches as you can in. Sorry, I don't like this MT4 because it's not like. So this is now a confirmed downtrend. So in order for us to get something, we would basically try and sell at these points, all right? Sell at these points. So we're trying to sell at these points. So it's a downtrend, so we're looking to sell, all right? So your trend is your friend, like I explained in the previous videos. Trend. So we're waiting for the touch now. We're waiting for a price to actually come up to this and actually sell it down. So these are trend lines, guys. These are how you use trend lines. So I'm just checking if we can get a channel out of this one. Touches. Let's check. I'm just doing it roughly, guys, so you can understand what a trend line is. So you can see it's in a downtrend channel. Just make this neat. Make this a bit neater. And yeah. So we can see we're moving in a downward channel, guys. Just excuse my drawing, guys. It's not going to be perfect now because I work on TradingView and not on a broker. So guys, this is basically a downtrend. Let's go check if we can see a uptrend. Just showing you guys an example of how to actually check Let's just switch this off. Okay, so now we're going to look for an uptrend. Let's zoom out a bit. We've been in a downtrend. Okay, this is kind of a uptrend. You guys can see. So the market won't always look pretty. All right, you must understand that. You must now already equip yourself with the market is not going to be pretty. So yeah, let's go down to the lower time frame so we can just check if we can see examples of trend being in an uptrend. So 1 hour chart, let's check. So there's no examples of really being in an uptrend. The market has been falling. This is Nasdaq. We'll just go to Euro USD and maybe check if there isn't an uptrend. I just want to show you guys an example of an uptrend where the market is in an uptrend. So yeah, so here we can see something around here. The market is currently, it was in an uptrend, guys. So the market made higher highs, higher lows. So this is what we call a break of structure. So the market actually broke this uptrend and actually formed a uh, I don't like a broker, guys. I won't advise you to use IDEO around trading view as well. So I'm just showing you guys an example of what an uptrend looks like and a downtrend. So that's why. So this is basically an uptrend. It doesn't look neat, but yeah, I'm just trying to show you guys it's making higher highs and lower lows, higher lows. So this is an uptrend. So you would look for your buys. Don't mind the analysis, guys. This is nothing to do with them. I want you guys to understand what is. So we would look normally for the third touch buys or the third touch sells. Actually broke the level. It actually broke the trend. This is just this is on a daily time frame. That's why it's like this. So it broke trend. It almost came for the retest on the trend line, but yeah. So I hope this explains to you how to use a trend line. And let me just show you guys the example of a downtrending one. So yeah, I would usually look for the trend on the daily time frame, the H4, or the monthly time or the weekly time frame. It doesn't matter. It depends on what your trading style is. All right. So I would normally go if you're looking to intraday trade, I would normally go to the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then from there enter on the 15 minutes. So guys, a downtrend is forming lower highs and lower lows. So like I showed you the first one, you connect your dots. You try and buy at these points. So guys, I hope this makes sense to you guys, man. How to actually use trend lines and what is trend lines is the same as support and resistance. It's just in dynamic form. So it actually just follows the market. So it can give you actually turning point support zones where the market is trending. So it's always good to trade with the trend. So with these, you don't lose money. So the trend move will be bigger than the correction move. So I think that makes sense. So it makes sense when you sell from these points, it's going to be better if you buy from these points. So it's going to be better because this move is very small. This correction move is usually small. So but if you sell, then the sell move is bigger. So this is basically what trend lines is, guys. We use it in the market to identify where the market is going and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, man. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you guys, so that it's not a like a tough thing to understand because a lot of people use different terminologies. So and then you guys are basically lost. So the moment they say, but we use it for, I use sometimes I do use terminology, but I try to keep it as simple as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this small video of what is trend lines and how do we use it on the broker. Sorry for my analysis, guys. I usually do it on trading view. I will do a practical video on trading view as well for you guys so you guys can see properly how I go and identify trend lines. I will show analysis videos as well. And with that said, I will be uploading with the next video, number 5, I will be uploading a bonus strategy. So guys, please make sure you like and subscribe this channel because this channel is going to teach you from beginner's level. So a lot of people do not show you guys the needed stuff in Forex, around Forex to actually know how to trade. They only just show you strategies and did this and this and this, and then you guys are lost. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this small one on